In this video, I'll explain how to permanently delete your Google Ads account and the difference between canceling an account and fully deleting it. Google Ads itself does not allow direct permanent deletion of just the ads account. Instead, the typical option available is canceling the account, which stops ads from running and halts future charges while keeping your historical data in case you want to reactivate it later. To cancel your Google Ads account, open your Google Ads dashboard and go to the left-hand menu, click Admin, then choose Account Settings. In this section, look for the Account Status area. Here you'll find the option to cancel account. When you cancel the account, your campaigns stop running and billing stops, but your data remains stored within Google Ads. Before canceling, it's a good idea to download any reports, invoices, or campaign data you may need later. If your goal is permanent deletion, that process is different. Since Google Ads accounts are tied to your overall Google account, permanently removing them generally requires deleting the entire Google account, which also removes access to services like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube associated with that account. Because of this, it's important to carefully review what data will be affected before taking that step. Subscribe for more clear Google Ads account management tutorials.